This is some of the upstairs portion of the Exhibition Coal Mine Museum in Beckley, West Virginia, and the outdoor peace totem and boxcars from the nearby Youth Museum. There is an elevator to get upstairs, so you don't have to take the stairs, but we wanted to share a glance into the museum proper of an industry that helped fuel America. See the link below for Beckley, West Virginia's coal mine page, the Youth Museum's main page, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.